Hey financial enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki, renowned author of Retire Young, Retire Rich. In this groundbreaking book, Kiyosaki challenges conventional financial wisdom and lays out a blueprint for achieving early retirement through strategic wealth building. Number 1. Two dads, two philosophies. Kiyosaki starts by contrasting the financial ideologies of his two fathers, the hardworking but financially cautious school teacher, which is called poor dad, and the successful risk-taking entrepreneur, which is called rich dad. The pivotal differences lies in their approach to death and assets. While the poor dad focuses on working hard and saving, the rich dad believes in leveraging good debt to acquire income-generating assets. Number 2. Good debt versus bad debt. Central to Kiyosaki's philosophy is the concept of good debt versus bad debt. Good debt, according to him, is a tool for acquiring assets like real estate, stocks, and bonds that can generate passive income. In contrast, bad debt involves financial liabilities such as consumer goods, which don't contribute to wealth creation. Number 3. Financial education is key. Kiyosaki emphasizes the critical role of financial education in achieving success. The more you understand about money and investing, the more informed and effective your financial decisions will be. It's about developing a financial IQ to navigate the complex world of wealth creation. Number 4. Entrepreneurship as a wealth building tool. For those aspiring to retire young and rich, Kiyosaki advocates entrepreneurship. Starting your own business provides a platform for substantial income and equity growth, offering a faster route to financial independence compared to traditional employment. Number 5. Investing in income-generating assets. The cornerstone of Kiyosaki's strategy is investing in assets that generate passive income. This could involve real estate ventures, carefully selected stocks or bonds that contribute to a steady stream of revenue, ensuring financial security during retirement. Number 6. Practical steps for early retirement. If you are ready to embark on the journey to retire young and retire rich, Kiyosaki suggests the following actionable steps. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Invest time in learning about money, investments, and the principles of wealth creation. Start a business. Entrepreneurship offers unparalleled potential for wealth creation. Take calculated risk and build a business that aligns with your passions and skills. Invest wisely. Channel your resources into income-generating assets. Diversify your portfolio with real estate, stocks, and bonds to maximize returns. Live below your means. Practice frugality to increase your savings and investment capacity. Patience and persistence. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, be patient, and consistently work towards your financial goals. So, Retire Young, Retire Rich is a provocative guide challenging conventional financial norms. While Kiyosaki's approach might not resonate with everyone, the book has undeniably empowered millions to rethink their financial strategies. By embracing the principle of good debt, financial education, entrepreneurship, and strategic investing, you can chart your course to retiring young and retiring rich. Are you ready to take the plunge into financial independence? The journey starts now.